Hi, my name is Aditi Shrimal, and we received the award for the best LED lighting manufacturing, and our brand name is FortuneArrt. We were very proud to be one of the first end-to-end LED manufacturing in Bharat, and we are extremely honored and privileged to be sharing this stage with such stalwarts from Telangana today, and it's such an honor. It was just not about receiving an award, but there was so much inspiration on stage today. I'm so moved, and I think I'm ready to go and achieve more. Thank you so much, HyBiz, for this opportunity. I'm so humbled and so blessed. Thank you.